Trading is the road to financial freedom, but it's a road filled with twists and turns. Stay committed and you'll get there. Remember, great things take time.
And it is Thursday, July the 11th, 2024. And as you can see, we're starting out this morning in the red. Portfolio is down by $340, well, actually $400. And this is probably due to the significant amount of gain that the market did yesterday. Is pulling back a little bit. A lot of it is due to investor pulling out profit. So when you see this in your portfolio, don't get nervous or scared about it. Remember, as I always say, you only lock in your losses when you sell. When you sell out of your portfolio and your portfolio is down, when you do that, you lock in those losses. If you want to sell, want to get out of the market or get out of a position, then you wait till you have a green day. A green day indicates that you are in the profit. Red day means that's when you need to buy more in the red days. A lot of it you do the opposite. A lot of it you buy what you call on the hype. You hear the hype of a particular stock, and as soon as you hit the hype, then you hit all you come running wants to buy in. And actually, what you're doing is buying in on the high set of that particular stock. So it actually causing you more money than what it's supposed to, because you're buying in on the hype. And what I mean by that is you hear about some particular stock going up, and you maybe from your boss, or coworker, or your girlfriend, or your wife, or your buddy. You hear about some particular stock going up, so you decide you're gonna run in and buy you a piece of that stock. That's what you call buying on the hype. That's what you call buying on the emotions. And see, actually, this is the time now when you see the stock is going down, when you're supposed to buy. And when it goes back up, that's when you ride the wave going back up. That's when your profit goes up. When it goes from red, it goes to green. Not when it goes to green and trying to go even higher. And as you can see, I have a buying power this morning of $456.94. And you have to ask, well, how you get that particular buying power? Well, I did what overnight I did what you call a ironclad option, and I'm going to be explaining that ironclad option this evening. I'm not going to explain that this morning. I'm going to explain that this evening, what I'm talking about when I say that. And that is why I have a $400, almost $500 credit this morning, buying power. This is a very powerful strategy that I use, and you can use it as well. You can use it to build income. Like say you want to have an income, you want to quit your job. You can use this particular strategy to grow yourself a month, a weekly, or monthly, every 2 weeks, or every monthly, every 3 months, 6 months, however you want to establish it. and it's a great tool to use. It's something that I am just getting familiar with it myself. And like I said, I did this particular option overnight, and it net me a buying power of $456.94 in credit. So that means this is actually money that goes into my portfolio, and I'm free to do with it whatever I want to do. They just say if I wanted to withdraw some of this money, I would simply click on that, and then I'll go out here and click on this. And then I will click on either withdraw or invest. And that will be the amount that I can withdraw from that. And it's not the whole amount that what you see, the whole $400. Simply because I have what you call a margin account. And a margin account, like I said, is when you have at least $2,500 worth of stocks in your portfolio. You can get a margin account. A margin account it matches you for what you have in the stock market. Say if you have 2,500, then when you first start off, where you build it up to 2,500, and the margin and what they do is it's like buying, it's like borrowing money from the stockbroker. So they're going to match. They're going to match what you have. So if you have 2,500, they're gonna match it with for an additional 2,500. If you have 5,000, then they're going to match it with additional 5,000. If you have 10,000, then they're going to match it with an additional 10,000. The margin account is for when you have a small account. Small accounts, it helps small accounts to grow and get bigger. It's a wonderful tool and to have when you have a small account, and you can at any time you could take that account and transfer it over to a cash account. Cash account, of course, is a whole lot better because you are in complete control of all of the money. And a cash account like yesterday, I had all that significant gain the last 2 days. 4,500 one day, and I think it was 3,500 yesterday. If I had a cash account, I could actually pull out all of that money or all of that gain and put it in my personal account, or take it and put it in or either reinvest it into the market when you have a cash account. When you have a margin account, you can't do that because you owe them some money, and so they're gonna want to take out they have when you take out a certain percentage, and they want a certain percentage of that what you took out, and you can switch over from a margin account to a cash account. And the way you switch over is simply selling out all your stocks that you have in option trading and equity trading. You have to make sure all of the trades that you have made that they are settled. And I think this takes about 10 business days for your account to settle in order for you to switch over from a margin account to a cash account. Like I said, I have a margin account. Once upon a time, I had a cash account. I have a margin account now. It'll be so difficult now because because I have so many position open. It'll be kind of difficult now. It'll probably take me 2 weeks to maybe even a month to close out all my positions in my portfolio if I was to switch over to a cash account. Now, if I was going to if I came across a big investment, then I would probably do that. Or if I get this particular portfolio up to around $80,000 or $100,000, I may consider switching over to a cash account. And the total individual value of my portfolios right now is $45,167. Individual holding is of 65,100. Individual margin used. That's what I'm talking about. This is the margin that I use. 21,046. Crypto, I have $1,062.19. Right now, I don't have anything in the retirement. And this is the menu of Robinhood. This is all the things that you, if you want, that you need to do, you need to know about, you want to learn about, you just simply go to menu and click on what you're trying to do. Let's go to investing. First one here. And as you can see, like I said, the account right now in portfolios value of it's $44,967. Like I said, it's down. It's kind of down this morning, which I wasn't really expecting for it to go down, but hopefully it'll go back up sometime this evening or sometime throughout the day because we still got a lot of things that's supposed to be happening today and tomorrow in the market. Like I said, the equity right now is total equity in my particular portfolio, $64,979. Crypto is 1,062, and the margin I'm using is 21,046. And I am eligible for instant deposit. Instant deposit. What that means is, say you have your portfolio all set up, and you have your bank account linked to your portfolio, and you have a particular stock that you want to invest in. And you click on that stock, and you don't have any money in your individual stock account. You just click on that stock, and it's going to automatically ask for a deposit, and that deposit is going to go. It's going to come up, and then it's going to bring up your bank account, and you just click on the amount of deposit that you want, and then you let the transaction go through. Instant deposit means that your transaction will immediately become available to you. Simply because a lot of option trading, you can't wait no 5, 10 trading days in order for that account to settle. It's business day. You can't wait no 5 to 10 days when it comes to trading in the market. You need the money right away. So yes, when you have to qualify for instant deposit, and you definitely want to get that. If you don't, then you're gonna miss out on a whole lot of opportunities when it comes to trading in the stock market. especially with Robinhood. And then you have the dividend reinvestment. Uh, you have the recurring investment activities. Right now, I don't have any recurring investment activities. Click on that anyway. I apologize for all this other stuff that's popping up. As I'm, like I said, my computer's down, so I haven't used the phone. This phone, I always do that. This is the recurring investment that I have. You can have a recurring investment to actually upload and invest automatically. And this is mine for what I have. Some of them are monthly, some of them are weekly, some of them are bi-weekly. Different companies. Right now, I think most of mine is on pause. This is the Bitcoin, a crypto. It just and here right here, you can create. You just create your recurring investment if that's what you want to do. You want to put it on automatic. You just hit this, and you put down what companies that you want to invest in. Like I say, whether they are weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. Let's browse crypto, and these are the different cryptos that are in Robinhood. Once upon a time, I had like $8,000 into Bitcoin. But like Bitcoin, I guess is okay if that's what you are into. Bitcoin is not really a stock investment. Bitcoin mostly just pump and dump. You put something in, hold for a little while, and then you get it out. Just pump and dump. You don't even. Most people don't even hang on to it that long. They just you get into it long enough to make yourself a profit. And that's basically what I do too. I get into it and get out of it. A lot of the money I did not use personally, but I took a lot of the money that I used and reinvested it back into the market. So if you want to figure out what Bitcoin to get into, you can put this list here of what I have. Like when I say when I want fast money, then I go get me some Bitcoin. I go put me some money in Bitcoin when I want some fast money. And you are listening to another episode of Wealth Wise Guru with your host John Shaft. And this is your dividend editing your dividend and reinvestment. It's where you a lot of these companies they do pay pay dividend. Dividends are a particular amount of money that they give you in return for investing in their company. You can actually build yourself up a quite a bit of a dividend payment uh, to replace a say a income from a job. You can actually yourself some dividend pay and replace that income. Use it as an income like you would use from a job. I think right now mine is disabled. I don't know why it's disabled. Yeah, we enable it. And then you would go ahead and click on the dividends that you want to enable. And so when you actually have dividends from these particular stocks, it will automatically go back into that particular stock instead of going to your personal account. I don't know why this was disabled. I don't wonder if I should leave it like this or not. I just cut it off for now. Let's leave it like this for now. Go later on do it. But instead of you taking that dividend, you would do that, turn that on, and then that money would automatically be reinvested back into your portfolio. You can also do uh, stock lending. Click on that, and this is something I never done. Stock lending. So we gonna get out of that. So I don't want lending on my stock. It's probably what it is that you can borrow money against your portfolio. Depends on how much your portfolio is worth. No, I don't definitely want to do that. And I'm at the option level, option trading level 3. Options are a way to actively interact with stocks you're interested in without actually trading the stock themselves. And you go on the option settings if you have a regular margin account. If you go to option setting, I'm at level 3. I could downgrade it. I just downgrade it by clicking here. So I'm not trying to downgrade it. And like I said, in order to qualify for option trading, then you have to have the experience to do option trading. And they're going to put you through a series of testing to see what you know about option trading. And depends on whether you answer those questions correctly or not. And it also depends on how old your account is, whether or not they will approve you to be a option trader. If you're new to investing, then you will probably not be able to get into option trading right away with Robinhood. But you can eventually over time. And while you are waiting uh, to apply for option trading, then you should be concentrating on investing in yourself. by educating yourself and listen to videos, reading books, and things like that. That way, when you are qualified to do option trading, you will know what you are doing. And this is what I was talking about, switching over to cash account. You can switch over to cash account here. Type account, like I said, I have is called a margin account. You can trade with unsettled funds from the stock and option sales and enable margin investing. You're also subject to pattern day trading regulation. And pattern day trading regulation in Robinhood is that you cannot. I think it's 3 to 5. I think it's five trading days. Uh, yeah, 5 trading days. If you day trade 5 times in a row, I think during a week. During each day. That's what I mean. I mean each day. Then you're going to be labeled as a pattern day trader. And if you are labeled as a pattern day trader, then you are subject to different federal regulations. Okay, margin account with unsettled funds from stock and option sales. You don't have to wait for funds to settle. One trading days for stocks and options. Access margin and investment if eligible. You can enable margin investment and get more buying power. Access level 3 option trading if eligible. You can build a multi-leg options like spreads and the pattern day trading regulation. If you make 4 or more day trades within 5 trading days in a margin account, you will be flagged uh, in a margin account. You will be flagged as a pattern day trader, and this is what I was talking about. Pattern day trader rules are defined by FINRA, one of our regulators. We are going a step further in providing you with tools you can use to make sure you're investing responsibly. Defining a day trade. You make a day trade when you buy and sell the same stock or ETP or open and close the same position within a single trading day. You open and close the same option contract within a single trading day. You keep in mind pattern day trading restrictions don't apply to cash accounts. They only apply to margin accounts and are a limited margin account. This means you can trade stocks, ETPs, and options and cash accounts without worrying about your number of days, of the number of day trades. So if you want if you want to be a day trader, then you're gonna need to have a cash account. Then that way you're not subject to these different rules and regulations. Yeah, let's see. It said, understanding the rules. Your account will be flagged for pattern day trading if you make four or more day trades within 5 trading days. And the number of days trades represents more than 6% of your total trades in the same 5 day trading period. This rule has applied to margin accounts and IRA limited margin account. If your account is flagged or PDT, you're required to have a portfolio value of at least $25,000 to continue day trading. So I can do day trading because I have over $25,000. Your portfolio value is in the sum of your cash, stocks, and options, and doesn't include crypto position. For the purpose of PDT, your portfolio value exclude any crypto position or uh, available margin. All trading activities is included in circulating your prior day closing equity value. This includes any extended hours trading or transfer activities up until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. However, however, position or value based on their 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time closing price. Your portfolio value may fluctuate above 25,000, but in some points during the trading day, uh, but we will only take into account the closing balance of the previous day. Okay, so you guys have, that's self-explanatory. And you can go on down and read some more when it comes to pattern day trading and whatnot. Now, like I said, if you got a margin account, your margin account is you have an excess over $25,000, then you can day trade all you want to. And if you have a cash account, uh, you can day trade all you want to. But if you have a margin account and you have below $25,000, then you're only limited. I think it's four to five day trades in one particular. And then a lot of you don't have to be worried about this. A lot of you are not even that far in advance to be even be talking about even considering day trading. And you scroll on down if you want to get into margin trading. And you'll quickly hit this and enable your margin trading. And this is day trading. I'll set this right here. And you have, let's skip on down to membership. Robinhood Gold membership detail. Robinhood Gold membership details is here. And it's self-explanatory. These are some of the perks. I have Robinhood Gold. I have Robinhood Gold myself. They take out a percentage of it. It's usually very low. It's not that much. These are some of the benefits you get having a Robinhood Gold. $2,000 margin, interest free, 5% APY. Deposit watches your Brokers Council cash roll. 1% deposit boost. 3% IRA match. 25,000 instant cash deposit. Professional research, real-time market data. This is all the stuff you get into in your gold membership. And right now, I am a gold ship member, and I pay $5 a month for that particular for this particular membership. And you are listening to WealthWise Guru, and I'm your host, John Shaft. If you have any problem with Robinhood and you need to contact them about your account, you can do so by simply clicking on Robinhood support. As you can see, my name come up. That's my name, Ahmad. John Shaft is just my character name that I use and go by. That's what everybody call me by. So, and you would just click on contact support, and if you ever have any kind of problems, you just let them know what your problem is, and they will help you. And they even have a live chat, and you just key it in, and somebody will come online and assist you. If the virtual system cannot assist you, somebody live will come in, or somebody will call you on your cell phone. Take another temperature check. Looks like she's down this morning, $2,733. I'm gonna have to go and look and see what is going on, because I know we have a CEI report coming out. I don't know if it came out and it was bad news or what it was, but don't really know it's down this morning, and we need to figure out why it is down. I hate when it's down. And then a lot of times, like I said, when it's down, it's a lot of times that or people in the market are simply taking profit out of the market. But looks like some of my option trading is down also, so I don't know what that is. But it's gonna go back and forth. Like, let's go back and forth throughout the day. So you don't let that bother you. Don't be governed by your emotions. Who knows? It might go up $5,000. You never know. Stock market. Again, you're listening to another episode of WealthWise Guru, and we ask you to hit the like button, share button, and subscribe to the channel. That's going to end this morning video. Hope you guys enjoy your day. Hope you have a good day of trading. And we're going to be coming back this evening with the outline report of what we did for today. And then I'm going to go a little bit more in depth of how to do a Correlon option trade. And we will see you guys this evening. Again, we thank you for watching.
In trading, you're on your own. You spend lots of time looking at charts, staying up late to study, and always wondering if you made the right choice. Most people don't understand the excitement when you make a good trade or the lessons when things don't go right. But think about it. Every trader who's doing well now was once doubted by others. Stay focused, believe in yourself, and let your wins do the talking.